Hi, Michael Bloom, chiropractor. What I want to cover with you today, simply how to use a full-length foam roller in two different directions. One long ways and one crossways across your body. So many people I ask have a foam roller sitting at home. The same people, when asked, never use them. So what's the point in having it if you're not going to do anything with it? So these simple things, they're basically the two simplest things you could do with this foam roller. Just start to implement it. I'm almost guarantee you there'll be benefits in it. And it's much better than just having that roller in your line of sight annoying you. Actually get on it. So watch on. I'll show you how to do these and get going with them immediately. You'll definitely reap the rewards and the benefits. So the first way to use this foam roller is long ways. Really good to expand the chest open. So you lie down on it and position the top of your head on the top of the roller so you have the head support. And then in this position, I literally open my arms outwards and just feel everything relax. I just feel my backside, my head just relax. My pecs, the front, the area gets really tight at the front, just expand open. And it's just a lovely position to spend 5 to 10 minutes in daily, especially if you spend a lot of your day looking at a computer screen and the effects of just sitting for too many hours. So that's position one, and let's go into position two. The second way to use the foam roller is across your body, and just using my feet on the floor, I'm just bending my knees and straightening my legs and bending my leg and just rolling through the spine, really from your lower back right up into the shoulder blades. It's a form of self-massage, can help dig into some of the knots and release some of the tension. And again, a great thing to do after a full day sitting too long, looking at a screen, tapping away on the keyboards, driving that mouse around. Just a really good way to open up and get a little bit of mobility back into your spine and your back in general. Wherever you are, have a great day and thanks for watching.